So this is the second same chapter, and this is the second video of the same chapter. So here in the second part, what happened? Again, that dog came into the dream of the farmer, the rice farmer, his owner, and this time the dog spoke to him that how the wicked people had burned the mill which he made from the pine tree, and they have converted the ashes, the mill into the ashes. The dog asked the farmer that you just go to their house and collect the ashes of those pine tree and sprinkle them into any withered tree. Whether it means bare and dry tree, you can sprinkle it on that tree, and then the tree will bloom once again. So the old man awoke and he went there to the neighbor's house, and he found that the poor couple was sitting there in the middle of the house, and they were just warming their hand and feet from their fireplace while using these mortar and the same mill which the farmer made from the pine tree. So what happened then? Now, what happened? He just asked the couple to give him some ashes. The couple was reacting so bad, like he's thief here and he is just stealing their own uh, products from the house, own things from the house. But laterly, the couple gave him to fill his basket with the ashes, and then the farmer along with his wife, they went to their favorite cherry tree which was bare now. He sprinkled a pinch of ashes on the tree, and all of a sudden the tree converted into blossom. It became a cloud of pink bloom flower, and the perfume of the flower was all around in the air. When this news broke into the village, people ran from everywhere to see this wonder. So the bad couple also came to know about this news, and they were now just collecting the remaining ashes which was left at their place. The kind old man came to know that his lord, it means the king, was about to pass from this high road of the village. So, what happened at that time when the king was passing through the village or through any area? That time people were not supposed to see their lord or see their owner. They have to kneel down, and they have to put their head also down. They have to close their windows. So that time the person who was carrying the king's train, he was shouting very in a very loud voice to everyone to please get down on your knees, get down on your knees, while the king is coming. Suddenly what happened? So that time when the man was shouting, he noticed this old farmer was sitting up on the tree. He noticed him, but he was pretending not to see him because he was so much old. He don't want to insult and shout on him. So the old man, what he did that time when the king train was passing from there, palanquin was passing, he sprinkled the ashes on the bare tree, and the tree all of sudden bloom into flowers. And the king was surprised to see. He just asked the man who had done this to bring him in front of him, and he was so much delighted that he presented the silk robes, silk dress, sponge cake, fans, and other rewards to that man, it means to the farmer, and he also invited him to the castle. So the old man went very happily to the home, and he shared this news to the old wife. But then again, the greedy couple was there, and they heard of this news, that how in the magic the ashes converted the tree into blossom, and in the happiness the king gave them so much reward. So what happened? Now the old man, he also threw the handful of ashes over the tree, and in a moment the dust was in everybody's nose, ears, and also the king's wife was unable to breathe with the because of those dust. Everyone is sneezing and feeling like choking. So the king get angry and ask the man to bring him in front. So the man bring this fool old man by the collar by dragging him from the tree and ask him to ditch the basket over the road and beat him also. And till he beat him that the man died till he beat him. It means he died there. So this is how the old man story get ended, and that good couple got invited by the king at his place and also got so many surprises. So they were living so happy at the old age also because they were so good and kind towards everyone. So this is what the story, the ashes which made the tree bloom, and the ashes was of the pine tree, and the pine tree was the same pine tree under which the dog was buried by the wicked couple. So this is how the dog was helping the couple even after he dies. I hope the story is clear to everyone. This is a Japanese tale story from Japan. Thank you.